Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to show you how I indexed a very stubborn backlink. So, not too long ago, I went out and I created a harvard.edu backlink on a particular page that was along the lines of more grayer hat. Now, like a common problem that I'm sure that you have ran into in the past, when you're out building links, you will run into some very stubborn backlinks, especially if they're more on the gray hat side of things. So in this video, it's more for fun. I was doing some testing after being absolutely fed up with indexing and using other services. I took the time to place this link, and it was a link that I really wanted to index, and the best part about it was it has stayed indexed as shown here. I'll go ahead and just refresh this so you could see that it's just a harvard.edu, a relatively hard link to get, so this is something that you would want indexed and you would want to stick. So this was really for fun, and out of frustration, I literally went through all of the services that I could possibly find that were free. So I went through every single one of these sites here to submit this link for free, and it ended up being indexed, and it has stayed indexed for some time. So I cannot narrow down if it was only one, if it was a combination of all of them, but I'll just walk through them very briefly. I'm not affiliated by any means with any of these companies, these products, these services. I don't know who they are. I just literally, out of frustration, submitted my site to all of these sites and probably more. And the result was the link was indexed and it has stayed indexed. So it may have been a combination, or maybe it was only one. I'm probably going to start narrowing it down. But let's walk through this very briefly. I went to a backlink indexer. I headed over to the SEO tool station. I did Index Kings, Free Indexer V2. I did SEOvsmoney.com. I just put it in there. I went to urlsubmitter.org. They have a 12-hour. And then I went over here to Link Central, Link Sator, and I believe there was maybe a few more. I mean, I was really at wits end. And again, I don't know who these companies are. I'm not recommending them. I am simply saying, if you run into frustration, maybe you have a service, a provider, maybe you pay a monthly fee, and you have a particular link that you feel is very valuable and you want it to get indexed and you're just at your wits' end, maybe it's time to go to all of the available resources that offer a free index solution. Submit your link, but be careful. I did notice that some of the sites, not the ones mentioned here, will want to place a link on their site. Some sites do a lot of funny things, so before doing this, of course, do your due diligence, see their methods or their practices first. But this worked for me for this particular link. I hope that you have found value in this video. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about backlink indexing, if you have any questions about link building, off-page SEO, digital marketing, business marketing, I mean really anything SEO, digital marketing, or social media related, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO How to Index Backlinks video. Have a wonderful day.